All right, it's time to make this car a little more ignorant. We're gonna head over to O'Reilly's real quick, get just a little turned down exhaust pipe, take off the rear portion of the muffler, and just stick that bitch on there. And hopefully it'll be pretty loud. It's definitely not gonna be as loud as Kellen's white E36, because that's just a full straight pipe. That one's actually ignorant as fuck. I think you'd agree, Kellen.
Yeah.
But hopefully it won't sound too bad.
Hey, but you like mine though.
Yeah, no, yeah, I like it. It's just a little too much, you know, a little too much. Oh yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling. Clutch kicked her too hard. Big smoke. Big smoke. That's the first time I tried to clutch kick on fucking transition, and it whips the fuck out of it.
Oh my god.
Just roasting tires, man. All right, so here's the plan. I'm gonna take off this rear section of the exhaust right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this piece of pipe about like right, I don't know, there, and make a little turn down exhaust out of it. And then I'm gonna just slip this on the end and secure it with this exhaust clamp. Probably won't make the best seal. Might not sound the greatest, but I need a loud card in my life because this thing is just way too quiet. Yeah, I think that's about it. Woo, that's spicy.
Yeah, it's probably hot.
Oh, forgot. I think we're gonna have to let this cool down, I think.
Can you guys be a sponsor for
Let's see, like I was saying earlier, when we went to go skid, these tires are just absolutely trash. And they're not even the same tire. What's nice though, whoo, shit. My parents went to go sell some speakers yesterday, and the dude that came to come pick them up just so happened to be the son of the dude who owns the local tire dogs. So he said, if I just mention him when I go to get tires, then they should be able to hook me up with a good deal, hopefully. God, wouldn't it be sick if I got like a tire dog sponsor? It's definitely not gonna happen this early on, I mean, cause like, I'm just a fucking kid drifting a BMW, but still, that'd be sick. All right, so what the idea is we're literally just gonna take this, slide it over here, and clamp it on there. It's a little wiggly on there right now, so I'm thinking I'm probably gonna cut some slits in this, so that way once we go to clamp it, it'll clamp down on it real nice. All right, so the plan is I'm kind of just gonna cut it like that. I don't know, I really just want to keep gases from just going up onto the undercarriage of the car and burning the shit out of it, so I think I'm gonna just send it. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to function. I think that's going about right. Oh, those cuts are not going to line up though. You see that?
Oh my god.
Maybe I should have drew a line.
No, send it.
We send it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You got yourself a little turn down exhaust, kinda?
Kinda. A little bit.
It'll work.
A little tiny choke, but you know, it'll work.
Alright. Alright, now we just gotta put the little like slits. I'm probably just gonna do one slit here, and then call it good. I don't know, I just wanted to be able to clamp down somewhat good. Oh, professional. Easy. That's so good. Perfect.
Happy man.
Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bend this down a little more, try and get a little more of an arch out of this so we can get the exhaust gases flowing downward. Oh, no, that'll be chilling. Nah. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Alright, man.
Alright, sick. So that just slips on there like that. I'll get this opened up. Slide this bit over the top. Okay. Where did my nuts go? There's my nut.
Your nut? You lost your nut?
Nah. Oh, bro.
Oh, fucking mint. She's not going nowhere.
Here, I'm gonna tighten it down a little bit more just to be safe. Just to be safe. The one thing that I'm worried about, this bitch moves around. And this bitch is gonna be rattling.
Hey, rattle gang.
Do you think a zip tie would be able to hold up to the heat?
No.
I mean, mine held up.
Alright. See, I'm thinking we just loop it around here. Put it around this. These gloves don't allow my tiny fingers to do what they need to do. And get her in the hole. Come on. Fuck it, these gloves are coming off.
The gloves are coming off. We're being serious now, boys.
We're serious now. Oh, I got one click on that one.
Cutting you right.
Yeah.
Hey, that's all we need.
And
I bet. Here, let's start this thing up and see how it sounds. I bet. First, start with the new exhaust.
This is the old one. I like it.
That's a screaming 4-cylinder.
Rev it to like 2.5 and 3.
And just like hold it.
Yeah, for a minute and let go.
That's 3. That's 2. Not bad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's so fun.
Jamie
Are we gonna take
loves-
this to go pick up the pizza?
If you want.
Fast, yeah.
Huh?
If we can be fast enough, yeah.
Bet.
Alright.
You know, it actually doesn't sound that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot more like raspy and sound like an annoying 4-cylinder, but
No, doesn't sound bad at all.
pretty tame, honestly.
Oh, you can feel it.
It's nice though. I'm worried about is like exhaust gases like getting caught underneath and fucking burning the shit out of my stuff. So we'll give it a look when we get back, see if there's any like black marks underneath. All right, first pull, we'll do like a 1, 2, 3.
It sounds so good.
0 to 60 eventually, am I right?
Oh, exactly.
Bro, no, this thing sounds so good though. I'm so excited. Bruh. I fill my car up with pizza sauce all the time. I don't know what you mean. We pulled up and I didn't even realize. Look at how close that is. It just barely scraped it. I'm honestly so happy with how it sounds. I was dying driving a quiet car around. Like, it just took away from the fun, you know? Now drifting is gonna be a lot more rowdy, I think. But I was just looking at it. It just looks so weird not having the exhaust tips there. It looks so empty. I don't know. We'll figure something out. I'll probably get an actual exhaust somewhat soon, hopefully. All right, Kaylee just showed up. Let's see what she thinks of the exhaust. You hear the new exhaust? Yeah, you are. You know you are.
It sounds bad as I thought.
Huh? Oh, just wait, just wait. Yeah. I don't think she's a fan. We're just kind of hanging out, so I figured I'd spray my taillights with the VHT, get rid of that ugly ass amber. I'm actually pretty happy with how these turned out. I didn't go as dark as we did on Gabe's. I feel like they match a little bit better. All right, I didn't get a chance to show you guys the taillights because it was a bit dark when we finished up. No, they came out super well. I'm glad we were able to get the color to match up pretty evenly with this. It's not as dark as they turned out on Gabe's car. But overall, pretty happy with how they turned out. One last thing I want to get done in this video though. Gabe so graciously sold me his front lip off of his old bumper. There we go, there's the focus. So yeah, we'll slap this thing on today. I think it's gonna make the front look so much lower.
Oh, dude, it's gonna look so nice.
Oh, it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited. Now I'm pretty sure this bumper isn't made for the like base model bumpers. I'm pretty sure it's made for the M bumpers. So as you can see, like there's not notches on either side for these little bits of slide in. So I'm probably just gonna notch that out. And then we'll probably just hold her up mostly with zip ties. Originally he had it on there with these bolts. I'm not totally sure yet if I want to drill holes in this bumper, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna try to just secure it up with zip ties and hopefully that works. But damn, it's not on there, but this thing's gonna look mean. So since we have to notch this out, I'm gonna just hit it with a little yeah. And a little yeah. That way I know where I need to snip it. All right, I put a couple notches in with the Dremel. Let's go see how it fits up to the car. All right, I got the positioning pretty on point. Now I just need to go a little bit deeper so it'll slide in all the way. All right, so we have it all mocked up. The plan I'm thinking, I'm probably just gonna drill a hole straight through right here and then just zip tie it. And on the other side, do the same thing. Just drill a hole and then zip tie it. It doesn't fit like perfectly, but I mean, like it looks way better than it used to. So yeah, oh yeah, and then on top of that, I'm probably just gonna redo these stitches real quick, make it look all nice and pretty. You know, them drift spec stitches, you know. But let's get this thing put up. All right, I got the front lip totally installed, and god damn, she looks mean. Ooh. You know, this car is really starting to come together. Like, it started out as like some like docile little creature, but you know, it's starting to turn out to be pretty mean. I'm digging it. All right, but that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'm super happy with how the car's coming together. It's starting to really feel like a proper drift car. But hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.